Hello student, welcome. Topics of this video are doldrum and horse latitudes. These are two extreme conditions of atmospheric pressure. More clearly, these are two permanent pressure belts of the world. First of all, we should know about atmospheric pressure. What is atmospheric pressure? The pressure of the atmosphere as a result of its weight on the surface of the earth is known as atmospheric pressure. The atmospheric pressure is measured by an instrument called barometer. Barometer, and the unit is millibar. The line joining the places of same atmospheric pressure on the sea level is known as isobars. The atmospheric pressure on the Earth's surface is not uniform. It changes from place to place due to non-uniform distribution of temperature and rotation of the Earth. First of all, doldrum. Equatorial low pressure belt between 5-degree latitude on each side of equator. This is Earth. This is Earth. This is equator, 0-degree latitude. 5-degree latitude on each side of equator. 5 degree. This is doldrum. Owing to high temperatures near the equator, the lower layers of the earth over there get heated. It thus expand and rising rapidly, producing a low pressure belt all along the equator. It is known as doldrum. As we know, hot air rising up and left beneath low pressure here near equator, it is called doldrum. Doldrum means a region of calm, extremely low pressure region. This is doldrum, low pressure zone. Second is horse latitude. Subtropical high pressure belts between latitudes of 30 to 35 degree in both the hemispheres. 30-degree latitudes, 30-degree north, 30-degree south. The rising air at the equator cools and spreads out, moving towards the pole and piles up there. Rising air at the equator moves towards the poles. This air sinks at about 30 degree north and south latitudes. Sinks 30 degree north latitude and south latitudes. This air sinks at about, in both hemispheres, at about 30 degree north and 30 degree south and piles up there. This process of piling up resulting the high pressure areas, it is known as subtropical high pressure belts or horse latitude. In ancient times, the merchants shipping their horses in their big ships had to throw out some of the horses into the sea to lighten their ships while passing through this high pressure zone. This is why this is called horse latitudes. Two facts are also important in this regard. Doldrum is originated due to extreme condition of temperature all around equator. So doldrum is a thermal pressure belt. Thermal pressure belt. Doldrum is thermal pressure belt originated by extreme condition of temperature all along the equator. And horse latitude is actually not originated due to the low temperature near the latitude 30 degree and 30 degree south. Actually, horse latitude is originated due to rotation of the earth. So this is a dynamic pressure belt. Dynamic pressure belts. Another fact is also important here. This is trade winds. Trade winds. Trade winds. The winds that blow from subtropical high pressure, this is horse latitude, from subtropical high pressure belts towards equatorial low pressure belt. This is doldrum. This is known as trade winds. These are of two types: northeast trade winds in northern hemisphere and southeast trade winds in southern hemisphere. Northeast trade wind. Northeast from corner of northeast. Trade winds. And southeast trade winds. Southeast trade winds from corner of southeast. So we conclude that doldrum is a zone, equatorial low pressure zone, where northeast trade winds and southeast trade winds converge on, meets each other and producing a strong latitudes or latitude. Horse latitudes in both hemisphere. Now let us consider one questions from this topic. Now here question is that consider the following statements. Doldrum is directly affected by temperatures near the equator. Horse latitude are originated due to rotation of the earth. Choose the correct option. 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, neither 1 nor 2. As we discussed in content video, doldrum is a thermal belt and horse latitude is a dynamic belt. So answer can be C. Therefore, these were topics from this video. Thank you so much for watching.